Assalamu alaikum children. Today we are going to do more exercises from More for Us Mathematics book 3. Children, one thing I wanted to tell you that if you do any work, kindly do only those pages which has been mentioned. Okay, thank you. Now let's open the book with me and let's start today's exercise. Are you ready? Now which page is this, children? This is page number 16. Write date and day. Just write it by yourself. You can take help, but writing should be yours. Okay. Now read the instructions given in this page. Count and write in words from 1 till 5. What you have to do, here are the pictures given. You have to count the quantity and write the spelling of the given quantity. Now how many flowers can you see? Yes, it's only one flower. So you have to write the spelling on this line. Now always write the letters touching the line. Don't write big letters. Now spell O-N-E-1. One flower, you have to write the spelling of one here. Now count these. How many? What is this? These are apples. Okay, count the apples. 1, 2. Now T W O 2. Write with me and just like me. Okay. What are these, children? You can see it in the garden. These are trees. Yes. Count the trees with me. 1, 2, 3. So you have to write the spelling of 3 here. Are you ready? Write T with me. Just like me. Go down. Turn a little. And put a dash in the center. Now, straight line. Go up and turn. T-H. Now again, straight line, touching the line, go up and turn. This is R. T-H-R. Double E. 3. Okay. Now what are these? These are books. Now count the books with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many books? 4. Which spelling you have to write here? 4. Very good. F. Are you writing with me? I hope everyone is writing with me. That's good. O. U. R. 4. Now, what are these? These you use in your birthday cakes. These are candles. Count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now write the spelling of 5 here. F I V E 5. After writing the spelling, children, color the pictures given on this page. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, children. How are you all? Let's have some fun and do some activity today. Now, this is your sketchbook. Open your sketchbook with me. Write date and day. Today I am going to explain you how you will make butterfly with number 3. Now come on, make 3. Turn. Again turn. This is number 3. Now hold your pencil. See what am I doing? Yes. Go up again and join it. Make antennas. Make eyes of a butterfly. Again draw 3. Make circles inside, and now we will start coloring. Inside the circle, use yellow color, and you can use any your favorite color to color this butterfly. Now I am using pink. You can use any other color. It's your choice. In this way, you will color the rest of the body of a butterfly. Now use light brown. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. See, in this way it is very easy to draw butterfly with number technique. Now let's write the name of this B U double T E R, butter, F L Y, butterfly. See? Now, thank you. Done. Assalamu alaikum children. Today I am going to tell you a story, and the name of the story is The Boy Who Cried Lion, Lion. So, lion, and he is a boy. So, he is a farmer and it's a sheep. So, let's start the story. Once upon a time, there was a boy whose father one day told him that he is old enough to look after the sheep. So, as you can see here, he is a boy and he is a farmer and the father of the boy. So he is very old to take care of the sheep. So every day he had to take the sheep over the grass field and watch them. So do you see this? So many sheep are here. Now let's count how many sheep are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sheep. So the boy was unhappy. As you can see here, the boy is unhappy. He's very sad. So he wanted to run and play, not watch the boring sheep. So he decided to have some fun. He cried, "Lion, lion," until the entire village came running with stones to chase away the lion before it could eat any of the sheep. Once they saw that there was no lion, all they are angry how the boy was wasting their time. So the next day, the boy again cried, "Lion, lion, lion, lion," and the villagers again rushed and chased the lion away. As you can see here, they all are villagers. So as the boy laughed, ha 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 ha. Ha! The third day, as the boy went up a small hill, he suddenly saw a lion attacking his sheep. So as you can see here, this is a lion and he is attacking the sheep. See? Oh. He cried as hard as he could, "Lion, lion, lion, lion." But the villagers thought he was trying to fool them again and did not come to rescue the sheep. The little boy lost 3 sheep that day. So How many sheep he lost here? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3. As he said in the story, the little boy lost 3 sheep that day. All because he cried, "Lion, lion," too many times. So, what do you think? What do you think? What is the moral of this story? So, in my opinion, do not make stories up for attention, for no one will help you when you actually need it. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Now open your Oxford Reading Circle with me. Now today we are going to read this new page. This is page number 19. Now this is the sound of I. What is the sound of I? E. E. If you add here, e, re, e, re. If you add d, it becomes rid. Re, rid. If you add p, then it becomes rip. Read, rid, rip. E, me. If you add me with d, it becomes mid. Me, if you add double l, it becomes mill. Me, mid. Me, mill. Fee, if you add n, it becomes fin. Fee, if you add t here, it becomes fit. Fin, fit. See, if you add t in c, it becomes sit. If you add double l, it becomes sill. Sit, sill. Re, if you add p here, it becomes lip. Lip. If you add d, it becomes lid. Ed, if you add d here, it becomes did. If you add g here, it becomes dig. Or raw, if you add d here, or the rod, or rob. Or dog, if you add g here, it becomes or dog. Or, if you add double l, it becomes ill, it becomes doll. For, if you add g here, it becomes fog. Or g, fog. Or saw, if you add b here, it becomes sob. Sob, or law, otter, lot. Otter, lot. In the same way, if you add g here, it becomes log. What is this? Log. Or g, log. Or more, if you add b here, or b, mob. Now let's read words. And if you add b here, it becomes rub. If you add n here, it becomes run. Mud. Mug. If you add n in here, it becomes fun. Fun. If you add double, it becomes fuss. Double fuss. If you add here, it becomes some. Some. Sun. If you add g here, lug. If you add double l, it becomes double lull. Dug. Double dull. Now read the complete sentence with me. A rag doll on a mat. A rag doll on a mat. What is on the rag? A doll. What is on the mat? A rag doll on a mat. In this way, you will read this page at least 5 times. Thank you.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का हमारा उन्वान है आदि अश्काल। आपकी उर्दू की नोटबुक है, ठीक है। इसमें हमने कि काम करना है, आदि अश्काल करनी है। जिस तरह मैंने आपको पहले सबक में भी बताया है कि आदि अश्काल हम किस तरह लिखेंगे, तो आपको तो अब आदि अश्काल लिखना आ गई होगी, ठीक है। तो अब ये क्या लिखा है, ये लिखा है ख़े, और ये ख़े की पूरी शक्ल है या आधी, ये ख़े की आधी शक्ल है। चलिए अब मैं आपको लिखना बताती हूँ कि हम किस तरह लिखेंगे। नुक्ते से हमने स्टार्ट करना है। पहले सीधी लकीर आएगी, फिर नीचे टर्न और ऐसे कर देंगे, सही है। ये हो गई ख़े की आधी शक्ल। और ख़े के ऊपर कितने नुक्ते होते हैं, ख़े के ऊपर एक नुक्ता होता है। ख़े के ऊपर कितने नुक्ते होते हैं, एक। ये क्या है, सीन, सीन की आधी शक्ल है ये। अब हम सीन किस तरह लिखेंगे, एक चश्मी बनाया, दूसरा चश्मी बनाया और नीचे टर्न कर दिया, ये हो गया सीन। सीन के ऊपर कोई नुक्ता नहीं होता, ठीक है। अब ये है शीन, एक चश्मी बनाया, दूसरा चश्मी बनाया और नीचे लकीर कर देंगे। और शीन के ऊपर होते हैं तीन नुक्ते। शीन के ऊपर कितने नुक्ते होते हैं, तीन, ठीक है। तो ये आपका सीन हो गया, शीन हो गया। फिर क्या है, ये क्या है, स्वाद। स्वाद भी हम इस तरह लिखेंगे, नुक्ते से हमने शुरू किया और नीचे लकीर कर दी, ये हो गया स्वाद। हमने थोड़ा सा गलत लिख दिया, इसे हम इरेज करते हैं, ठीक है। नुक्ते से शुरू किया हमने, ये है स्वाद, ठीक है। फिर क्या है, ज़्वाद। ज़्वाद के ऊपर एक नुक्ता होता है, सेम आपने इसी तरह लिखना है, ठीक है। ज़्वाद भी आप इसी तरह लिखेंगे, बस आप एक नुक्ता लगा देंगे ऊपर। फिर है आइन। अब आप आइन किस तरह लिखेंगे, गोल घुमाया और नीचे से टर्न कर दिया, फिर नुक्ते से शुरू किया, गोल घुमाया और इस तरह टर्न कर दिया। और गईन पे एक नुक्ता होता है, ये क्या है, गईन। ये है आइन और ये है गईन, ठीक है। ये क्या है, फ़े। फ़े के ऊपर कितने नुक्ते होते हैं, एक नुक्ता होता है फ़े पे। नुक्ते से हमने शुरू किया, इसे गोल घुमाएंगे और सीधी लकीर ले आएंगे, ये हो गया फ़े। देखा आपने, फ़े हमने किस तरह लिखा। तो ये हो गया आपका आज का पेज कंप्लीट, ठीक है। आपने इस आदि अश्काल की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। मैंने आपको आज बताया ख़े, सीन, शीन, स्वाद, ज़्वाद, आइन, गईन और फ़े। शुक्रिया। लिखेंगे, गोल घुमाया और नीचे से टर्न कर दिया, फिर नुक्ते से शुरू किया, गोल घुमाया और इस तरह टर्न कर दिया। और गईन पे एक नुक्ता होता है, ये क्या है, गईन। ये है आइन और ये है गईन, ठीक है। ये क्या है, फ़े। फ़े के ऊपर कितने नुक्ते होते हैं, एक नुक्ता होता है फ़े पे। नुक्ते से हमने शुरू किया, इसे गोल घुमाएंगे और सीधी लकीर ले आएंगे, ये हो गया फ़े। देखा आपने, फ़े हमने किस तरह लिखा। तो ये हो गया आपका आज का पेज कंप्लीट, ठीक है। आपने इस आदि अश्काल की प्रैक्टिस करनी है। मैंने आपको आज बताया ख़े, सीन, शीन, स्वाद, ज़्वाद, आइन, गईन और फ़े। शुक्रिया।
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
मौलाया सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन अबदन अला हबीबिका खैरिल खल्क़ि कुल्लिहिम। मौलाया सल्ली व सल्लिम दाइमन अबदन अला हबीबिका खैरिल खल्क़ि कुल्लिहिम। मुहम्मदुन सय्यदुल कौनैनि व थक़लैन। मुहम्मदुन सय्यदुल कौनैनि व थक़लैनि वल
الفريقين من عرب ومن عجم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا، يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا، واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرام. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم.